Hey guys, so we're here with Amber today. Amber's 27. Amber has been doing a treatment program. We've been doing laser hair therapy, platelet-rich plasma with A-cell, and the CRLabs scalp treatment. So Amber came in, what, 7-8 months ago? 6 months ago, guys. This was Amber, 6 months ago before we got started. And she's here for a follow-up today. Just have a look at how she's doing, guys. This here, this is new growth. This is all new growth in through here. So what Amber was experiencing was a really advanced thinning right through the top, and we've been able to reinforce the hair follicles, extend the growing cycle of the follicle, get it deeper into the blood supply, and just look at this density coming in here. And Amber, you saw new follicles and hairs around the front of the hairline, and you're seeing them still, right? Growing in.
Yeah.
Clicking out. How long into the program did it take before you sort of noticed that?
I started to notice all these long hairs that were starting to grow real short at the beginning, about 3 months in.
Wow. And what we're getting here, guys, is because Amber had some longer hair to start with, the shorter hair is layering and it's thicker on top. It hasn't caught up with the original longer hair yet. It's going to take some time, obviously, for it to all layer accurately, but you can really see in through here the difference with this new growth and just how healthy and strong it is. That's where that vibrancy and bounce in the hair is, because it's just new hair that's growing in. If you style through this, you can just sort of see how how healthy and thick this is. This is just fantastic. So this is a great example of the results we get when we combine platelet-rich plasma with laser hair therapy products, taking a complete global approach. Transitions of Indiana, we specialize in female hair loss, and it's so gratifying to help a young lady like this. This is awesome, Amber. Keep up the good work, okay? Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com.